In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a mind map in draw.io for Confluence and Jira. To get started, open the Confluence page or Jira issue where you want to add your draw.io mind map. In this example, I'll be showing the process inside a Confluence page, but the overall workflow is very similar in Jira as well. The main idea is that you first choose the location where the diagram should appear and then insert it directly from the editor. Once you're inside the page editor, find the exact spot where you want the mind map to go. Then type / followed by draw.io. From the suggestions that appear, select draw.io diagram. This will open a pop-up window. Give it a moment to load completely before moving on, since the available options won't appear properly until the pop-up is fully ready. When the pop-up finishes loading, you'll have a couple of choices. If you want to build the mind map entirely from scratch, you can select blank diagram. But if you want a faster starting point, use the search bar in the left panel and search for mind map. For this walkthrough, choose the template approach. Search for mind map, click the template you want to use, and then select Create. After that, the pop-up will reload and open the diagram editor with your selected template ready to edit. Inside the editor, you can customize the mind map using the tools in the left panel. This is where you'll find shapes and connectors that you can drag directly onto the canvas. If you want to edit an existing shape or branch, simply click on it. You'll see handles that let you resize or rotate the element. If you need to remove something, select it and press delete on your keyboard. To move items around, just click and drag them to a new position on the canvas. If you want to change text, double-click the text area to highlight it, or manually select the text you want to replace, then type your updated content. This makes it easy to rename topics, add subtopics, or adjust labels as your mind map develops. Whenever an object is selected, you'll also see formatting controls in the right panel. These are organized into tabs such as Style, Text, and Arrange. Use these options to fine-tune the appearance and layout of your mind map so it looks clear and organized. Once you're happy with the result, click Publish in the top right corner. Wait for the diagram to finish saving. After it's saved, it will automatically be added to your page. And that's it.